Hey guys, it's CG12191, and today I got some reviews for you. Got two of them, and I'm gonna do it in one order. One of them is a Zippo heater, a hand warmer, I mean, and then the other one is a Zippo lighter fluid 12-ounce 3-pack. So I'm gonna go and put this rubber band up here, and I think I'll open up the big one first. Actually the small one first. I don't know what one's which, but I'm using my Smith & Wesson M&P knife to open it. I'm just gonna cut it up here. Yeah, I'm guessing this one. Oh, these are the wicks. That's right, the hand warmer isn't in yet. So here's all my Zippo wicks. I got one wick here, so that's 1, 2, 3. I got 3 wicks, and then I got 6, 12, 18 flints, which are pretty nice. And 2 flints, and then I got, 3 Zippo wicks. So that's actually probably a very good deal. So that's in this package here. So that was in. So, and then for the big one, I probably don't need the knife for this, but actually you might. So I'm gonna cut that. And of course it doesn't cut all the way, does it? No. Because it's like very sticky. So I'll just do a pretty bad cutting job. Oh wait, here's the hand warmer. Holy crap. That's a big hand warmer. I'm pretty sure the hand warmers aren't really that big when you get them. Yeah, I hope it's in a case, because that's one big-ass hand warmer. I've seen some, and I know they were not this big. This thing's huge. Okay, this is huge. Let's see here, cut maybe that, like that, and then slice it down. Cut on, oh there we go, I think I might. That is just a huge hand worm. I did not know they were that big. I seriously thought they were smaller than this. Chalf, man. I don't know if this must be like a jumbo one or something, but it must be. Or if it's like a certain kind of one, because this thing is huge, and well, I'm having difficulties opening it. God damn it. Whoa. Hey. There we go. Oh, don't worry, I did not break it. So here, this thing is incredibly huge. So here's the, holy crap. Is this thing like a fake or something? Oh boy. Here's the hand warmer. Top comes off. Pour the, not sure how you do it. I'm pretty sure you pour the fluid into here. Then you put this on here, and then you start this on fire, and that's what produces heat, and you put it in there. That's huge. I swear this is like some kind of jumbo one or something. Either that, or when I've seen the videos, I'm just blind. Little back thing. Comes with a pouch. Okay, maybe it is that big. So here's the filling cup. You fill it to like, there's like a half, which is like 6 hours, and then there's a 12-hour one, and you fill it up, and then you pour it in there. Yeah. And then you got, that's a lot. Jesus, this is huge. I can't get over the fact how big it is. So there's just some distributors, and then, oh, there it is. And here's how you do it. Figure 4, you pop it up, put some lighter fluid in there, pour it into the top, and then you light that, and then you put the cap back on, and basically that's it. For about 6 hours of heat, you fill the lower line, and then 12 for the top one. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll show you real quick I don't know what it is. It's a Zippo hand warmer. It's huge. Actually, it's probably the normal size of it. And then the Zippo wicks and fronts. Thanks for watching. Please have a nice day. And please rate, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.